Were you the child who always found an animal to rescue? Did your best friend always have 4 legs? Now that you're grown, do you still have a passion for animals? Turn that passion into purpose with veterinary technician degree from Stotzenberger College. It's the only AVMA accredited program in Toledo. Our engaging classrooms, exceptional staff, and outstanding facilities make Stotzenberger College your best choice to launch your new career. Your future is waiting, so call today. Stotzenberger College, turn your passion into your career.